In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply this motion to any movement you make. It could be walking or dancing or any kind of movement you make. When you look at this motion, you just want to watch it over and over again. Okay, it's easy to come up with. Okay, this motion is easy to come up with. Make sure you watch this video to the end, as I'm going to show you how to achieve this wonderful and calming and soothing motion using your phone. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is to take, a video of film yourself dancing. It could also apply to walking, but in this video, I'm going to dance, okay? So to apply this slow motion effect on any movement you make, like I said, either walking or dancing, and I use specifically dancing in this video. You can as well use walking, okay? Now, the first thing you're going to do is to go to InShot. You tap on InShot. So once InShot opens, you look for the dancing video you recorded or the walking video, as the case may be. You go to plus, you tap on it. So you look for the video. I think this is the video. And this is the dancing video. And the first thing you want to do, okay, is to mute the video, okay? You go to volume. You go to volume, you tap on volume, then you move the slider back, okay, to mute any noise, okay, coming from the video. So once you mute that, so this is the dance, okay. So it's just playing. I'm not dancing to anything, I'm just dancing, okay? So it could also be applicable to walking, okay? So just do your dance or do your walking, okay? So this is the dance. So all you need to do is just tap on the video. Once you tap on the video, okay, you look for speed, okay? This is speed. You look for speed. Then you tap on speed. Okay, so you're going to reduce the speed. Instead of taking it front, you take it back, way back. Okay, you take it way back. Okay, so it's going to, once you take it back, the slow motion effect will apply. So let's tick this to see what we have, and let's take it to the end and play it, okay? Now this is the dancing video. So hope you are seeing the effect. So this is what we have. The effect is so calm, soothing to the eyes. It will make you want to watch the video over and over again. Okay, so it's applicable to also walking. If you're walking and you just follow this exact tutorial and add the slow motion effect to your walking, it gives that cooling, good looking kind of effect to the eyes. So this is what we have. I so much love the movement, the slow motion effect. So guys, this is how you can add slow motion effect to any form of movement you make, either dancing or walking. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day.